So back in December, I had a reoccurring dream. I had a dream twice, and then it was like a vision that kept playing over and over in my head. So in this dream, I saw two crowds of people, and I believe at first I was in the crowd, but later on, I was above the crowd so I could see what was happening. So there's this large crowd walking, and everybody's walking towards the same direction. Then I could start to see a difference in the crowd. As they get closer to wherever they're going, you could kind of see a separation. And one side was kind of lit, like not bright lit, but it was starting to get lighter. Or there was a light being shown on that side of the crowd. And the other side started to get darker. Again, I had this dream twice. And it kept playing over and over in my head. And I'm like, Lord, what is this dream about? What are you showing me? And a few weeks later, I don't even remember what I was doing. I was probably thinking about the dream again, or I was praying. But he finally gave me a revelation. And he was talking about separating the wheats from the tares. And I've heard the scripture before, but I had to go back and read it. So Matthew 13 talks about the parable of the wheat and the tares. In verses 24 through 30, Jesus gives them the parable of the wheat and the tares. And later, he only explained the parable to the disciples in verses 36 through 43. So I think it's safe to say that it is harvesting time, and it's time to choose which gate you're going to enter by, whether that be narrow or broad. And make sure you'll go read those scriptures.